Hi guys, it is CyberGeek back with the fourth video of the Python video series. So today we are going to work with Python. So as you are dealing with a large amount of data in Python, you want to make sure whether you can manage and organize the data properly. So as a solution for this, we use list. A list is a structure where we can find inside Python to store lists of values where we are able to manage a lot of data and track them easily. In this video, we are going to show you the basics of using a list and some common use cases, how lists are used, and get you to know about what lists are. So now I'm going to create a list. Creating a list is like creating a normal Python variable. First we should give a name that describes a list. So I'm going to use the name colors equal and open brackets. Inside this I'm going to add some values to the list. So this is a simple Python list. Even inside the list you can enter strings, numbers, booleans, anything can be inserted inside lists. At the moment I'm going to insert string values. Now that we have created the list, how can we access individual items inside a list? So that's a good question. First of all, I'm going to just print out the list we created. Run this. So it prints out the whole list, but we want to print individual items inside the list. So in Python, the elements inside the list are given specific index numbers. Starts with 0 and 1, 2 and 3. So if we want to print this, just have to enter 0. So open brackets, enter 0. We'll run it and see. So it prints out the 0th index, which is red. We just print out 3, and it prints out white, which is the last or the third index of the element. Also you can access the last element of the list by entering -1. Normally negatives are used to access the element from back of the list. Let's try it out. So it prints out the last element of the list. 2. It works. And if we want to filter out elements, if you want to print the first index to the last index, you can just enter 1 in the colon and run the program. So it will print all the first, second and third index elements in that list list without printing the 0th indexed element. And if you want to print a range inside the list, just print one, we just say 1 2 3 and run the program, and it will print blue and orange. So when we do this, it will print the first index, second index, but not the third index of the element. It will only print the first and second index elements. Also, if we want to modify an element inside the list, if we want to modify, for example, if we want to modify the second index of the element, we can use colors, open and close brackets, second element equals purple, if we print it up, if we run it, sorry, we print the colors list, it will print purple, although we have orange because we modified the list. So those are the basics of working with lists. In the next video, I'm going to show you even more ways of working with lists. For example, adding elements to a list, deleting elements to a list, and copying lists, and bunch of other cool stuff. So for now, these are some basic things about lists. Thank you. If you like this video, make sure you share it and like it, and don't forget to subscribe my page and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest videos with you. CyberGeek signing out.